We're going to make ragu sauce for lasagna. This is 1/4 kilo of ground pork. We will mix it with ground beef. This one, 1/4 kilo of ground beef. We will mix there. Let's mix this until it's brown, a little bit brown, golden brown. Now let's put onions, then garlic, so it's time to put white wine. Now we put carrots, and then we put the frozen celery that I chopped it earlier the other day. Now let's put some pepper, salt, of course, put 1 laurel leaves. Broth. When it's dry, we have to put some broth. It's time to put tomato sauce. Now it's ready. Our ragu is ready. Cook it for 2.5 hours. Slowly cooking. Ragu sauce for lasagna. We're making lasagna tonight. These are the ingredients. Lasagna pasta, RAGU sauce, bechamel, Parmigiano Reggiano grated. First, let's put a little bit of bechamel underneath. We put already the butter on it. First is this one. RAGU sauce. Bechamel. I don't like too many bechamel, so I don't put that much. Okay. I want to put a lot of it. Now, Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese. Not too many. I don't want to be overpowered by cheese, yung taste. Another layer. Another layer. You have to repeat again every layer. Smell good. The ragu smells good. My homemade ragu sauce. Sarap. Bechamel. Parmesan cheese. Now it's ready to bake. I'm done layering it. Let's bake 200 degrees for 20 minutes. And it's done. In a while we will eat my homemade lasagna.
Thank you for watching.